Mana is a digital asset whose ownership is recorded on the ETH network. This makes each one unique regardless of the replica. You can buy it with cryptocurrency. Everything in Decentraland is NFT, including goods, clothing, and especially the real estate called land. When you play the game, you have to buy items with Mana coins. Each plot of land has a set of coordinates in the virtual world. You can edit your land plots with the drag and drop builder. Then, your land can give you money. Your land in Decentraland can be a kind of tourist attraction for other people. You have to make sure people have a reason to go to your area. This can make your land plot interesting by enhancing the scenery. You can also add the following activities for guests. Art exhibition. Host NFT artists to showcase their work at Decentraland. They can promote their talent while you get more visitors. Music area. People can attend concerts at your land. Invite musicians to play in your Decentraland area to attract guests. You can also add a casino where players can win Mana coins. Brand content. Decentraland will soon be the new place for sponsored content. For example, longtime video game company Atari announced it would put the game on Decentraland. What's the point of all this? Visitors and brands add value to your land. Similar to real estate investors in real life, you can sell properties for a profit. A plot of land in 2019 worth $500 is now over $7,860 today. Someone recently sold digital real estate for over $1.5 million. How does the Decentraland, Mana, coin work? Decentraland runs on the Ethereum blockchain. This is why it is more correct to call it a Mana token. But how do you get the first coins? Start by creating an account on a crypto exchange. You have many options, but the most famous are Binance and Coinbase. Use it to buy Ether, ETH, and Mana coins. After that, get a crypto wallet like MetaMask. Use your crypto exchange platform to transfer ETH and Mana to the wallet. Are you wondering why you need Ether too? It pays the gas fee.